So let's divide. Ipa-factor muna natin yung mga expressions. So yung y squared minus 9, the difference of two squares. So sundin lang natin yung pattern. So ang factor nito is y minus 3 times y plus 3. Ayan. So the square root of y squared is equal to y, and the square root of 9 is 3. And then copy lang natin yung denominator na y squared. And of course, divide pa rin. So ito pwede itong i-factor, common monomial factor. So ano yung common or yung greatest common factor dito? Y raised to 4. Ayan. So y raised to 5, i-divide sa y raised to 4, meron na lamang tayong y. And then 3y raised to 4, i-divide sa y raised to 4, meron na lamang tayong positive 3 over y plus 2. Ayan. So, kinopy lang yun. So, copy natin ulit to. Y minus 3, y plus 3 over y square. And then, reciprocal na natin to. Divide will become multiply. And then, reciprocal. Y plus 2 over y raised to 4 y plus 3. So magka-cancel tayo ng common expressions. So y plus 3, y plus 3. Ayan. So lipat natin dito yung sagot. So ang natira dito ay y minus 3 over y squared. Y minus 3 over y squared multiply to, ayan, y plus 2 over y raised to 4. Okay, so multiply natin. So meron tayong y minus 3 multiply to y plus 2 over y squared times y raised to 4 is equal to y raised to 6. Ayan. Or, so pwede pa natin itong isolve FOIL method. So y times y square, y times 2, positive 2y, negative 3 times y, negative 3y, and negative 3 times 2, negative 6. And then ito, like terms, 2y minus 3y is equal to negative y. So, negative y na yan. So, ang sagot nito, y minus 3 times y plus 2 is y squared minus y minus 6 over y raised to 6. So, ito yung ating sagot.